everybody, welcome back. Today is day 4 of this fall's or this late summer's hay season. So I have 2 fields. This morning I got to check to make sure the ground is dry, that there's no dew or anything on the hay, and then I have to go and rake it into windrows, rake all the hay into windrows, hook up the round baler, get that going, make sure it looks good, and then start round baling our 2 remaining fields. So let's check the hay on the ground, make sure it's dry enough, and then we can get to work. So the sun just came out. It's about 10:30. The sun just came out, and it probably cooked off any moisture that was on the ground on top of the hay. So I'm just kind of shuffling my feet through this just to see if this field is good. This field's good, the other field's good. Always check the feet. I think the hay is ready to get raked. So let's unhook the hay wagon, the one I left hooked up from yesterday. We'll get the rake set up, and then we'll get the raking. Got a couple hours of that to do. I have about 105 bales on the wagon, on this hay wagon. Sold a few of them earlier today. So I gotta unload this, or unhook this hay wagon. I'm just gonna put it out of the way for now. We might have some more people coming by later to buy some of this hay. And then whatever's not sold and still on this hay wagon, I'll just stack away in one of the hay sheds, so that way our pigs have it this winter, and we can probably sell some more of it later on. right, the big hay field's done. Now we just need to hook up the round baler and get the baling. Ground baler's hooked up, got the computer going. I'm getting in the one field. I'll get this set up. I got the camera going. I'm gonna put the camera outside so you can see what it looks like. And let's get to work. Guys, a quick tutorial on how this little monitor system works. I'm gonna try to do it, drive and monitor at the same time. But there's two bars right there, left and a right side, and that just tries to show you what side inside the baler is the high side. So right there, the right side is high. It's getting a little too much hay, so I need to steer right and start putting hay on that side. And the left side's coming up. Now I need to steer over and kind of get the hay over on the right hand side. So it's a lot of like S turns and things like that along the field. So that's pretty good. Pretty soon you're going to see a number on the bottom right. I think it's like 36 or 38. Those are inches, and this is the diameter of the bale. We're baling 4-foot bales, which is 48 inches. There you go. There's 31 inches. So I'm looking at that, and I'm also looking at the bars. When it gets close to my setting of 48 inches, it's going to beep a couple times just to warn me. Say, hey, silly, we're coming up to our limit. As soon as it hits 48, I have to stop. So there's 36, 36 and a half. I have to stop at 48 because it'll automatically wrap the hay in netting. So what I'll do is, when it comes to full size, I'll come to a stop, and then I'll back up just a little bit, so that way I can kick the baler off to the side. I can back up, push the baler off to the side just a little bit, so when it ejects the bale, I can see it roll back in my mirrors. So let's see, it's 43 inches. There you go. That's just a warning. It says it's near full. You can see the thing flashing right there. Sorry if there's a glare. I'm trying to do all this at once. It's 46. Bale looks pretty well even. There's 47 inches. It's close. 47 and a half. Here's 48. I gotta come to a full stop. I'm gonna put it in reverse, and I'm gonna I'm gonna back the baler up just a little bit. All right, it's ready to eject. I'm gonna pull this to open up the back gate. And there's the bale. You can probably see it in the rearview mirror right there. So far we have 8 bales. That's not too bad. It's pretty easy. A lot of this is just multitasking, division of attention, keeping track of making sure I know where I'm going, making sure the bale is balanced, kind of planning ahead on which windrow I'm going to go down next. Just trying to make it as easy as possible. If I know there's going to be a bale in the way, I probably won't go down that windrow. Just I'm not going to wait for that bale to get picked up. That's all it is. It's just countless picking up hay, making money, hopefully making money. Here comes the helper. Emily's got the spear on the little tractor. She's going to be picking up those bales and setting them over near the hay shed in this field. Here she goes. I have a bale that's about 3/4 full right now. I'm just gonna drive around a little bit, try to pick up some of these scraps, and try to finish this bale off. But as of right now, not including the one we have in the baler, 45 round bales. That's a lot. That's a lot of hay. So we have all this pretty much baled up. Now we have to stack it away, which that's not too bad. Just use a tractor to pick up the bales. Emily will do that. She'll throw them in there, and I'll kind of push them around just a little bit. And then that'll be it.